Honestly, this may actually be deodorant for your feet. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we are going to be going through two new subscription boxes. So I have unboxed this subscription box on the channel before, but it has been a while since I've done that, and I really do enjoy this box. It is called We Are Beauteque Monthly, home of the K-Beauty subscriptions, beauty box, and mask Maven. So basically these are two K-Beauty subscription boxes. Here is this one right here. I love the packaging on this. And then here is this one right here. Comes in this very shiny, very holographic mailing package right here, and it's just like so trippy and so fun to look at. I'll tell you one thing right now, whenever I look at this, I'm real proud to be a holosexual. And I do want to let you guys know that these two boxes were actually sent to me by the company. I did not pay for them myself, so thank you so much to Beauteque Official for sending them my way. I really appreciate it. I do have an affiliate code with Beauteque Official for this box. It is right here, and it is Kenzie25 to 25% off of your first month with this code. It's not affiliate. I don't get any commission off of it. They're just doing it out of the goodness of their hearts, just because they sent me the box and then they're giving a code to anybody that wants to use it. So if you do want to use that, then by all means feel free to use it, and if you don't, then don't worry about it. You don't have to do anything that you don't want to do. Without further ado, if you want to see the K Beauty box subscriptions, then keep on. So first things first, what I'm actually going to do, because again I didn't pay for this box, I'm going to go on the website really quick and just kind of see how much it retails for. Alrighty, so here is, I'm on the website right here. Okay, and I'm on the website, and the K-Beauty box says includes a variety of 6 full-size Asian beauty products from makeup, skincare, body care, and more. Starts at $22 a month, so definitely not that bad, and we will definitely go through and look at, you know, the value. Oh, got a little dribble there. And then the mask Maven includes a variety of 9 masks, from sheet masks, wash-off masks, lip masks, and eye patches, and more. Starts only at $13 a month, so definitely not too bad. I'm gonna keep this open just in case there's anything that I need to like look at. But let's go ahead and start with this big boy right here. So this is the big beauty box, and I have my swing. I have not opened this yet. As you can see here, it is still tape, so I have no idea what this month's theme is or what's inside. On top it gives you like a little pamphlet right here, and then this month's theme is Beach Ready Essentials July 2019, and then inside, if you open it up, it shows what you did get in your box. Now, ooh, someone's beeping me. Then opening this up right here, you have a little sticker, and it says here comes the sun. Okay, so the first thing that we see here, this is so cute. This is oil off paper, and it has little penguins. Oh my gosh, this I assume is like a oil kind of dabbing sheet that you would use for your face. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. Here they, oh, my bad. Now, personally, I may have to gift these to like my mom or something, because as you guys know, I have like the world's most driest skin, so being oily is not something that I'm very used to. So I may have to pass this along to someone else, but this is so cute and I really like it. I think it's so adorable. Oh my gosh! Next up in the box here, we have a full-on, like, holy cow, what is this? Just a big tube of aloe? This says aloe vera, 96% cooling, water, soothing. So this looks to be just like a nice giant big bottle of aloe vera. That is great. Anybody that has like a sunburn needs this. When I go to Italy here in the next few months, I will definitely be taking this with me, because I mean, who knows, you could always use some aloe. Oh, I'm excited for this. Yes. Okay, so this is a Hydrogel Glam Lip Mask. I freaking love lip masks. I haven't had the opportunity to use very many of them just because I don't know where to get them. But here is what this looks like, and I'm so hyped. I cannot wait to try this out because it just looks so cool, right? Where you have like these giant pairs of lips just like over your lips and you're just like This is a rose one and it has rose extract and it's moisturizing. Super excited. I'm hyped for this. Still got 3 more things in the box here. Ooh, okay. So this next thing, it looks like deodorant and I thought it was deodorant but it's not. Not at all. This is a beauty foot stick. You know what? Everything is in Korean, so I can't read it, but it says, for the soft and healthy foot, beauty foot stick. Honestly, this may actually be deodorant for your feet. I've never seen anything like that before. Oh my gosh, I've never seen anything like this before. This is so funny. I'm gonna read the pamphlet here in a minute to see what everything is, but this looks exactly like deodorant, just like for your feet. Next up in the box here, we have Uoma eyeliner. This one is eyeliner and it says it's in black. Here is what it looks like right here. And it looks to be a liquid, like a gel eyeliner. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh, this looks like a Sharpie. Like, full on Sharpie. And then here is it looks pretty sharp. Like, it looks pretty straight. There are a couple of swatches of this liner. It does look really black. It looks very pigmented and it's not like going into any of my fine lines on my hand. This is really promising. I'm gonna use this. This is cool and it's kind of like, it's kind of like a gimmick, It's like in the shape of a Sharpie. It's really cute. I think it's adorable. I hope it dries down like matte, but we'll see. I'll let you know here in a minute. Hi, yes, so I actually forgot to let you know how the eyeliner had worked, and so it's been about like 3 hours since I filmed that video, and it is dried. It is very matte, it's very black, it's like not moving. I'm like rubbing it right now as we speak. Yeah, it's not moving an inch, so yeah, pretty dope. I like it. Fun stuff. Yes. And then lastly, from this box, we have this anti-stress cooling spray. How cute. I love that. And then opening it up here is what it looks like. It is by Skylake Oriental Herbs Theory. Huh. Anti-stress cooling spray. And here is what it looks like right here. The bottle is really cute. Again, everything here is in Korean, but do you put this on your face, I'm assuming? I'll read the little pamphlet first and then see what to do about this. So onto the pamphlet. This is really cute though. I do like this a lot. Here is everything that you did get. So the Olive Farm Aloe Soothing Gel. It's 96% concentrated aloe vera extract, which deeply moisturizes and relaxes dry skin. I need that. This does actually retail for 9 doll hairs. I'm gonna pull up a little calculator on my phone. This stylish makeup waterproof black eyeliner, and you just apply it just like eyeliner. This does retail for $12. And then this Hydrogel Glam Lip Rose Mask retails for $7, and it says, open the package, remove the protective film, and apply on your lip. Leave the patch on for 20 to 30 minutes and remove the mask. Make sure to distribute the remaining essence onto the lips and let it be fully absorbed. And then here is the beauty foot stick. Here is what it says about that. It says, this moisturizing beauty stick relieves dryness and damaged feet, perfect for use after a day at the beach. It can also be used on any dry skin area such as elbows, knees, and heels. Wow, that's really cool. This does retail for $13. Not bad. And then this Skylake Anti-Stress Cooling Spray relieves stress and knotted muscles from your back, legs, shoulders, and more. So with this this anti-stress cooling mist. So you're supposed to put it on like your back, your legs, your neck, shoulders, stuff like that. That's really cool. I will definitely be using this if I ever have any kind of like pains or aches, and I'll see how it works. I'm excited. It says shake. Oh, well, I didn't mean for that to happen. But it says shake well before use, spray onto any targeted area. Cool, cool, cool. All right. Sounds good. And then lastly, we have the E-Saline Vogue blotting or oil blotting paper. This does retail for 6 dull hairs and 50 cents. And then the cooling spray retailed for $10. And I did get a full retail value for everything in the box. It came up to $57.50. And you do only pay $22 a month for the box. So definitely not too bad. So let's go ahead and put everything back in here. And then we can go ahead and move on to the face masks. So the face masks and the theme kind of like, you know, play around each other, and they always come in this really cute little bag. And then here is the card for this one. Same theme. Ooh, these are new. This is cool. So here's 2 of these, and these have these like little spouts, and it looks like they're from the same brand. Maven. Let's go with that. Maven. This one is a wash off mud mask, and this one is a peel off lemon mask. How fun! These are really cute. I love this idea. I love the packaging. Next up, we have a really pretty like pink and blue one. It says My Beauty Diary right here, and it's really cute. Look at that. I don't know, I'll have to read the little pamphlet and see what each of these like are, what they have in them. Next up is a royal jelly. Really great. This looks to be like a honey mask. I have used plenty of honey masks in my time. I think honey masks are great. Really do like them, so there's that. And here's another lemon one. I love lemon masks. Here is this one, and this one looks adorable. Ooh, this one's from Farm Stay. I've heard of this brand before, I do believe. This one is a Real Coconut Essence Mask. I love coconut. I do think they're really nice. And then we got 2 more here, and they look to be very large. And it looks like they're from the same brand. They are. This one is Aqua Moisture Moisturizing, Cooling, Soothing Cream Mask. Very cool there. Love that. And then this one is the Urban Daily Routine Cooling, Soothing, Skin Relaxing Mask. This is fun. So those are all the masks that we got, and I'm actually gonna go through and read off all the prices of these masks as well. The Mask Maven thing does retail for like $13. So, well, you guys, I honestly thought that they had prices on each of the masks. I'm not seeing them on here. Here is what this looks like. I'm not actually seeing the prices of the masks. So I feel like they used to put it on there. Maybe they removed it. I don't really know. But these have been the masks. I'm super excited for them, and I'm so stoked for these 2. I cannot wait to try those. But yeah, you guys, that was everything we got in both boxes today. I really hope they did enjoy the video. If you guys love stuff like this, like K-beauty or face masks, let me know in the comments, and just kind of like, do you like using the most? Do you have any kind of recommendations for me? But you guys, I do hope that you did enjoy the video. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me, and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bells down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.